So everybody, today topic is about how I deal with failure. And after class 5, I never failed in anything. When I was in class 6, I read a quote where I learned you have to never fail in your anything. If you are doing something and then never give up. And after this quote, I never failed in anything. If I fail, then I never feel bad because failure is mandatory in your life. If we are not fail in anything, then it's no matter we win. If I am not fail in this particular challenge like 365 days, then that is not matter where I become an सक्सेसफुल फ्लुएंट. मेरा कहने का मतलब यह है कि अगर हम फेल नहीं होते हैं तो सक्सेस होने का भी कोई भी फ़ायदा नहीं होता है. बिकॉज ऑफ लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग you have to become an adult person, then we have to fail lots of time, then we will be realize about this world, we know about this world. अगर हम लोग फेल ही नहीं होगा तो हम लोग को पता कैसे चलेगा कि दुनिया चलता कैसे है. जस्ट इमेजिन आई एम जस्ट प्रैक्टिसिंग एवरी डे एंड आफ्टर 6 day I become a native speaker, then maybe I will become attitude person where I will flex my English fluency in front of my friends, in front of my families, where they are not able to speak and they are not able to understand, and I am flexing my English from for there. Then that is a no, that is not matter, that's a selfishness in my opinion. If I'll be fail for lots of time, then I will be have feelings when we fail, then how I feel. मेरा मतलब ये है कि अगर हम लोग फेल होते हैं तो मुझे वो वाला इमोशन पता होगा जो फेल होने पे लगता है. जो फेल होने में दुख लगता है वो इमोशन मेरे पास होगा. दैट्स इट. So that's why I think failure is very important. If I get something very quickly, I never respect that thing. That's why I always like hard thing, like doing hard. Once Kakashi also said, never choose a path where you get thing very easily. Always go in a path where you get thing hardly. तो एक बार नारुतो, और मैंने नारुतो सीरीज में देखा था, ककाशी ने ये कोट अच्छे तरीके से बोला था. आई हैव read this quote almost 6 months ago, and that is a quote where this motivate too much me. And now I'm in content creation. I mean in content creation I don't need more subscriber in a day. I know if I will be hard work more, then I will be get. I know my condition, I want 100k subscriber, but not now. After 6 months, after uploading 200 videos, 300 videos, after fail lots of time, then I get this achievement. Because after all this failure, I will become an mature person what I want. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please like and subscribe. Let's see you tomorrow.